If you have a Facebook page and you want to change its name, how exactly do you do that? Well, we'll be going over that in this very video, both on facebook.com but also in the mobile app. So starting off with the browser version, once you are in your page, what you want to do is click on this icon in the top right hand side, then click on Settings and Privacy in this little menu that pops up, and then select Settings. This will take you to this menu, and on the left hand side you want to click on Page Setup, which you'll see amongst the other options. Once you do that, the very top option will be Name, so you want to click on that. Once you've clicked on it, you want to then click on Edit right next to the name at the very top of this page, after which you'll be taken to this screen where you can change its name. Then once you're happy with it, what you want to do is click on Review Change, and then you can confirm your choice, and the name of your page will change. In that page, you can also change the username. If you want to keep the name the same but change the username, it's just the option below that. Now let's go over how you do it on mobile. On mobile, what you want to do is swipe right or tap on these three lines in the top left. And once you've done that, what you want to do is scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, and then tap on that. Then tap on Settings. Then, just like before, you want to look for Page Setup in all of these options and tap into that. Let's just tap into Name, and then on this next page you can change its name. Then just tap on Review Change, and once you've done that, confirm the new name. One very important thing to keep in mind is that once you have changed the name of your Facebook page, you won't be able to do it again for a 60-day period. So make sure there are no spelling mistakes or anything like that. So hopefully you found this video on how to change your Facebook page's name helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority from like this in the future.